As we begin our investigation of systems, there are a couple key learnings I want you to keep in mind. So, the first is the goal of a system is to accomplish a task. Now, systems can be large things, like if we think about the healthcare system, there are a lot of parts that have to work together in order for the health system to work. And the goal or the task they hope to accomplish is to keep a community healthy, to keep them safe, to do research around disease, to make people live longer, have more higher quality of life. So the purpose of that system is to accomplish a task. And that's a very large system. Another system could be a simple can opener, right? There are different parts that have to work together to accomplish a certain task of opening a can. So when we're thinking about systems, they can be smaller systems, small scale, or large, really complicated systems. All systems have an input and an output. So an input is sort of what has to go into the system in order for it to accomplish its task, and the output is what it does, what that system does. So for example, the input of a can opener would be the force, right, to turn all the different parts to make the system work. And then the output is the idea that it's cutting the lid of a can. So the input, my force, the output. Another example of a system would be a bicycle. A bicycle is a system. It's meant to move someone from one location to another. The input would be that force that I apply to the pedals, and the output would be the movement of the bike forward to accomplish that task of moving from one place to another. And the goal of a system is to optimize the human experience and to optimize natural resources, the use of natural resources. So this is why systems change quite a bit. That's why our innovation comes from. This idea that as we learn more, as technology increases, as demand or understanding of something changes, the system also responds to that and changes because we want to continue to optimize that human experience and the use of natural resources. So you can probably think of lots of things that have changed over generations due to new understanding, new technologies, new ideas, and those are all parts of systems.